Hey dolls, I'm Sheenam Inferno and welcome back to Infernal Basics. I keep few tricks up my sleeves to make quick glam possible anytime and anywhere. So scoot closer to look ultra profesh, like you have got a celeb artist all the time.
We were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why.
I'm listing 5 different brushes that I always use to create this look. We are going to be playing with different textures, and later in the video you will see me pairing applicators with products mainly based on their textures. It is going to be a useful piece of information in your learning curve with any look you will experiment with in future.
Born from the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here.
You will need just 4 shadows to rock this look. 2 mattes, 1 shimmer and 1 glitter, and that is all. You can play with any color and any number of colors you wish, but if you want it quick, try to keep the mattes and shimmers in close color families, or you will have to spend time blending them to perfection. On the contrary, always use a contrasting shade of glitter to make the look come to life. Additionally, I prefer some black in waterline and brow bone highlight, but it's your choice how you want to wrap it up.
And dance until the dawn.
I'm starting with the lighter of the 2 mattes, going around my crease with it with a fluffy blending brush. There are no defined lines in this look. It's all about controlling the brush, and although we want a certain geometry, we still want to keep everything very blended. I will also pull this color onto the lid, and eventually I will start pulling it out of the corners to almost create an elongated wing. When you start pulling out, don't pick up extra product. Work with what is left on the brush and hold the brush far from the barrel so it can move freely with just enough control. It will help to create a very forgiving wing that you can pull as far as you want till you get it perfect. Once your basic shape is created, you can start picking more shadow and intensifying the wing. I like to shadow up my lower lash line as well, almost with any eye look I do. And in my opinion, that rounds up everything very beautifully.
Me, myself, and I, at least give it a try. Sometimes.
Now, I'm using matte 2 to add some depth and dimension around the outer corner, the wing of course, and lower lash line. I have used only 1 deep shadow for the sake of simplicity, but you can work with more colors to create greater contrast. In Infernal Basics, I only show the least minimum you will need to do, but once you have mastered the basics, you can add more and more to it. Use a flat packing brush to apply the cream shimmer shadow all over the lid. A dense brush like this is best to work with cream products if you want the full effect. I like to pull my shadow really high, up to the brows almost, and all the way in along the sides of the nose. It shows up the color more and evidently largens the eye. Cream shimmer shadows are usually more intense, show up very easily without much work, and stays shiny and crease-free for a very long time. You can use powder shimmers, but find one that has a powerful payoff. I'm using a pressed glitter in a bright green with a tiny flat definer brush for the inner corner. Pressed glitter is glitter that is pressed in a normal eyeshadow pan that you can pick up with a brush and apply without any glitter glue. Glitter in the inner corner is a trick that I use many times to step up a look, and using loose glitter is completely okay, but it just complicates the process. The information and shopping links to all the products I use will be in the description box as usual, because in Infernal Basics series, I do not use any brand names in the video itself, as I endorse the techniques and not the products. I finish up the look with black liner in my waterline, some brow bone highlight, and lower faux lashes. And this is how you can create glam in just a few minutes. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for staying on. I love you guys and see you next time.